Listen.
Story 19. Special Paintings. My mother saw a man sitting at the corner of the street. Beside him were his paintings. She talked to the man. He said that he used to be homeless. Painting gave him a new life. His paintings were actually very good. My mother bought 2 paintings. Each cost her $20. Later, my mom said to me, "Why would anyone spend $1 million on a painting? The money can give new lives to many people on the street."
Painting gave me a new life.
Read aloud.